only pure cow's milk is not good for the child, right?
Okay.
It has to be fortified, because of course there are nutrients in the cow's milk which are essential and important for the child. But at the same time, if it is not fortified, it is, as I said, it is just going to make the child feel and satiety, but the child is not going to get the nutrients which we are aiming to give, right? So the most important part about protein is it is the Greek word, or the Greek meaning of protein is prime importance. So when I'm talking about protein, the myth behind protein is only the bodybuilders or people who are more into sculpting their muscles or making their muscles hypertrophied are the only ones who should take protein. But we all require protein because it contains essential and non-essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of the body, which are the building blocks of the brain, which are the building blocks of the muscles, which are the building blocks of all the systemic organs. And it is very important to understand that protein is the key to all the problems, or protein is necessary to rule out or to fight against all these problems. The first thing about protein is protein. I'll just tell you a mathematical formula about protein. Is protein requirement for any human being, for any child, for any adult, is about 1 to 1.5 grams per kg of body weight per day, right? So it becomes easier for you to calculate how much protein is required by the child or by us, and how much protein are we actually giving the child, and how much protein the child is actually getting. Protein, as I said, essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids, made up of these things which are important to for growing of your immunity, for growing of your weight, for growing of your muscles, for growing of your height, everything. So protein agar khane mein nahi hai, and even if the child is eating a lot of normal food, but the protein part is skipped, the child is not eating dal, the child is not eating milk products like paneer, the child is not taking soya chunks or chicken or eggs, that just implies that whatever nutrition we are giving is half of the nutrition which is required by the child. Because protein, as I said, prime importance, is the major chunk of a meal, and requirement of protein is important for immunity and for growth and an overall development of a child.